Learn to code with Smiles Code on YouTube. Join our community of programming enthusiasts and start your coding journey today. Smiles Code is your go-to resource for learning programming on Chromebook, Windows, and Android phones or any operating system. Our YouTube channel provides easy-to-follow tutorials and practical tips for coding beginners and enthusiasts. Our channel covers a wide range of programming topics, including HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and more. If you're interested in programming, we have something for you. With Smiles Code, you'll learn how to write code, debug programs, and access programming resources in a fun and engaging way. We make learning to code accessible and enjoyable for everyone. Subscribe to our channel and join our community of programming enthusiasts today. Get notified of new videos and interact with other learners to accelerate your coding journey. Don't wait, start your coding journey with Smiles Code today. Contact us at smunachills@gmail.com.